Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to create a sharp edge like this for a sword, for example, and why it's not that easy as to just use the chamfer function. First of all, let me show you why this won't work. You've got your sword you want to model right here, and you drew in the outline of the blade. Now you go for an extrude, and now you want to use the chamfer. So select the edge, go all the way down, and now we want to match up the start of the chamfer with the line of our picture right here. And if we go in, we can see that it's already overshooting over here, and we are still nowhere close on the tip, right? So the chamfer function won't really be fit for our purposes. What you want to do instead is to create a sketch that has the non-sharp part separated from the sharp part by a line like this in the middle. Then just select all of that. Go to construct offset plane from the origin and put in a distance. On that offset plane, we paste in all of those points in a new sketch. And now you should have two of those sketches separated by a distance. And if we hide the upper one now, we can go to Create, Loft, and select both areas. And then unhide the upper one and just select the back one. Like that. Hit OK. And there you go. That's basically it. You have a nice sword like that. You just need to watch out for those weird things right here that sometimes happen. But that's not really a big deal. You can just use this here and go for an extrude and cut it away. Or if you want to, you can also select join. That way you already have this part. It's also part of the sword. Here you go. Like that. And if we go for the top view, we can see that this line matches up with the one on the picture pretty well. Also on the top right here, compared to the old version. Right, here's the distance, and here we're perfectly what we want. Anyway, that's how I created my sword. Hopefully this helps you too. See you next time.